You make the face, I make the sound. In this video, you will see the Brent Rivera and Pierson enjoying new trending lovely fun in car to making lovely faces. So guys, let's see and enjoying the video.
You make the face, I make the sound.
Cute and lovely fun of Brent Rivera and his beautiful girlfriend Pierson.
That's me.
Oh my god!
So nice.
My turn.
Why?
So guys, thanks for enjoying the cute fun of Brent Rivera and his cute girlfriend Pierson. Hope you guys will like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that, and take care. Bye bye.